Something's on the radar. And let's go. Something's on the radar. What can it be? Hello? Oh, it's gonna be the sign. Yup. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm just getting out for a quick drive before the family wakes up this morning, test driving or test flying my rebuilt Phantom 4 drone. I'm quite excited to see the kind of footage I'm going to get from this, and hoping that it is superior to what I've been getting recently from my DJI Spark. Pretty excited to give it a go. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to try and not thinking about being quarantined at home and the pandemic that's going on around the world. I hope everybody's okay. So let's just kick back for 10-15 minutes and enjoy a bit of Porsche porn. Video, guys. Hope you're staying safe, hope you're staying healthy. See you in the next video. I'm hopefully going to be doing at least one DIY video later this week, and then this weekend coming up, yeah, next weekend, like 5-6 days, the Porsche and Pancakes guys are getting back together again for another drive. Social distancing being, you know, the word or the phrase of the weekend. But I'm looking forward to that. The weather should be pretty nice. Get some Porsche cars out, get some driving on, get some video taken, do a bit of droning. It's going to be fun. Anyway, take care. See you in the next video. Bye.